Hello and welcome back to Crypto Disco for another video of live trading and technical analysis. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a quick little dive in the XRP chart. Where it's going to go, how we're going to trade it, and what kind of trade are we going to expect from it. And if you find that interesting, then sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Welcome back. Right, so starting off with the charts. Let me just delete this. Hello and welcome back, and starting off with the daily charts. As you can see, we are currently sitting approximately 40 cents and 11th of a penny, and we're not looking too bad. So even if you drop down here, that looks like a very powerful trade where we can go back up to this range before we break up towards this range here, which will be up by 50 cents. Now, how would I approach this? The way I approach this would be this. Firstly, I need to see how this candle closes for today. If it closes as it is, that means we're looking more likely we're going to head away back down. And if we do head away back down, this area here would be my area of interest. And if we were to possibly trade to go down, we could be looking at approximately 21% in trade. Now that's quite decent. So that means once we trade going down here, that would be the area of interest. Then what I'll be looking for next, it will be this. Let's say, for instance, we do go straight down from here. I'm expecting us to reach anywhere around this zone over here before we make our moves back up to the top. So that means I can make two trades, one going down here for like 22%, and then back up again for another 22%. Bear in mind, it is a daily chart, so it's not intraday trading. It's more of a holding a trade for maybe like a week and a half, but it's worth it if you're gonna leverage trade your 22% in possible returns. So if I was to leverage trade that, let's say for example 4%, sorry guys, all day today I got bad indigestion, taking a few medications for that right now, so hopefully that should clear by tomorrow. Anyway, let me not digress. So as we head back down in towards this area there, it's about 22%. Then I'll be looking for a little bounce up, like around about this area over here, before we come back to retest this area for a stronger move to the upside, which would be roughly around there. And what kind of movement am I looking for? It'll be something like this. Once we hit down this end, we should be making a slight movements to the up, back down to retest this area like a pullback, and then hopefully that will give me a confirmation that we're going to be heading away back up to this zone there. Now, in a bullish case scenario, it'd be nice if we were to break up and out of the zone, followed by a retest back down here like so, and then we should be, depending what's going on in the crypto space, if there isn't any bearish news or any exchange going down, etc., then we should be making our way back up above 50 cent mark. Now if that was to play out, I will be looking for an approximately 56% gains in trade. That's why the thumbnail of this video is a big update on XRP, because going down, it's a huge percentage. Going up and breaking this area to reclaim back 50 cents, it'll be a massive trade. If you was just a 2x leverage trade like that, you're easily getting 100% of your money back. Now, if that isn't enticing for you, then maybe you should be doing something else. Otherwise, if you want to learn to make money, this is the best way. So that's why I would like for you all to, if you like my content, of course, just give me a thumbs up, subscribe, head over to my video. That way you get to see all my educational video, how to trade. You can see my setup as I see it like right now. Now, let's say for instance, in a very bullish case scenario, that we do actually break out from this area, I'm gonna have to zoom back out onto the weekly chart. Now, if you look to your left, it's pretty much just a sea of red. So that means with any luck, once we do break up and above 50 cents mark area, we should quite easily head away back up towards about 89.90 cents. Now that is a massive trade and gains to be had. So from here to there, it's like easily 70% in trade. Or if you're hodling, just load up more XRPs in this area over here. So when it goes up, you could be looking at astronomical gains. So that would be my take on the XRP charts. If you find this useful and informative, please give me a thumbs up and a like. Hit the bell notification so you'll be notified of all of my contents. And also, if you head down to my description, you'll find more information on how you can pick up free Netflix, Spotify, and also pick up free $25 money deposits into crypto.com app. That's only when you pick up a Ruby card. So that means you need to stake your CRO. I won't go too much into it in this video as I'm about to finish up here. But go into my description, you find all that information for yourself. And also, if you do walk a lot at your jobs, whether you work in a warehouse or do you just walking around just in general, then I'll definitely recommend you to download the SWEATCOIN app as well, which you'll also find a link to the description down below. Right, so I'm heading off, guys, to make another video. Hopefully, I'll catch you in my next video. See you later.